How to use voice typing in Google Docs. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how you can use voice typing in Google Docs. So let's get into it. Now, first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to open up Google Docs and open up a new document. All right, I'm just simply going to save this voice typing like so. And you're just simply going to go ahead and open up any document you want. And let's say we open up this document. Now, what we're going to do over here is enable voice typing. It's already within Google Documents, so you don't have to worry about it. So for that, all you have to do is just simply click on Tools and go over here called Voice Typing. Shortcut is Control Shift S. If you're on Mac, it's going to be Command Shift S. And once that's done, all you got to do is just enable it. And then over here, you can select your language and you should be good to go. So as you can see, there's also other languages as well. So you can go ahead and speak it. So let's go ahead and select a English. Let's say it's United States. And now all we have to do is just click on this button and speak. Allow it. So in today's meeting, we're going to be discussing how we can better the environment for our people. So as you can see, I spoke this sentence and it typed it in right here. So as you can see, it works, and that is how you enable voice typing in Google Docs.